Welcome back to Autoscope. Hyundai Motorhome 2026, traveling with comfort, innovation, and sustainability. External, smooth body lines. These lines minimize noise and wind resistance while traveling by flowing smoothly from front to back. Adaptable LED lighting. Full adaptable LED technology is used in the front and rear lights. Panoramic windows are large, double-pane windows with thermal insulation on the side and back. Built solar panels, high power. Flexible solar panels are built into the vehicle's roof. Automatic sliding doors. An anti-pinch sensor is used to operate the automatic sliding door at the main side entry. External storage throughout the car. There are numerous roomy and convenient external storage spaces. Large wheels with a creative aerodynamic design are known as aerodynamic wheels. Interior, kitchen, big capacity refrigerator freezer, stainless steel sink, 2-burner induction cooktop, and built-in microwave. Lots of room to store groceries and kitchenware. Cozy sleeping room. A queen-size orthopedic mattress is provided in the main sleeping room. Multipurpose living space. A cozy sofa that doubles as a bed is part of the living room space. Infotainment System Integrated. Integrated within the dashboard is a large touchscreen. Advanced connectivity, outfitted with numerous USB-C ports, wireless chargers at key locations, and an integrated 5 Wi-Fi hotspot. Premium materials, long-lasting and easily cleaned. Premium materials are used throughout the interior. Hybrid PHEV Powertrain. A hybrid system or a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. PHEV will probably power the RV as standard. This will include a large capacity battery, an electric motor, and an efficient internal combustion engine. Fuel cell electric vehicle FCEV. Powertrain. Hyundai may provide an FCEV option for its premium or upcoming models, which uses a hydrogen fuel cell to produce energy. Drivetrain. Rear-wheel drive RWD is an option for stability when towing large objects. Automatic awning. Side awnings that automatically expand when a button is pressed to add more shade.